So students, now we'll see one sum which is based on equation of line. We have been given this particular figure. Now what the question says, write down the angles made by AB and AC with positive x-axis and hence find measure angle BAC. Mind you, the angles formed by AB and AC with positive x-axis. Positive x-axis is, we want to find out these two angles, so let us name it from our side. AB making an angle of theta with positive x-axis, and let AC make an angle of alpha with positive x-axis. So we are supposed to find out theta, which is the angle made by AB with positive x-axis, and that of alpha, the angle made by AC with positive x-axis. After finding that, we need to find out measure angle BAC. Now children, there is one word they have used, and hence find. When they use the word hence, that means we are supposed to take the previous values. What are the two previous values we need to take? The theta and the alpha. Making use of theta and alpha, we need to find out measure angle BAC. So we are looking forward further for this angle, finding angle BAC. Let's start how we do this particular sum. The equations of AB and AC are given to us, so let's start with that. For line AB, we write down this as solution. First we go with for line AB. What is the equation? The equation given to us is x minus root 3y plus 2 equals to 0. Now this is equation of line AB given to us. We'll first convert this equation, which is in the general form, we'll convert this in y is equals to mx plus c format. What do we convert into? We convert into slope-intercept form. So when I convert this in y is equal to mx plus c format, the very first step shall be root 3y is equals to root 3y. That means minus root 3y goes over there, becomes plus root 3y is x plus 2. We further divide by root 3, so we get y equals to 1 by root 3 of x plus 2 by root 3. Y equals to 1 by root 3 of x plus 2 by root 3. On comparing with, now we'll compare with, comparing with y is equals to mx plus c, our slope m turns out to be 1 by root 3. Children, y is equals to mx plus c, so our m turns out to be 1 by root 3, which is slope. But the definition of slope, anybody can tell me what is the definition of slope? Yeah, rightly said so. Slope is nothing but tan theta. So here theta is the angle what we have asked, or rather what we have made it angle AB with x-axis. So we can say slope is nothing but over here tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. Anybody can tell me for what value of theta 10 of that theta is 1 by root 3? Yes, it's 30. Theta is 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. But tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Let me write down this as tan 30 neatly. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Therefore, theta measures 30 degree. Theta measures 30 degree. When I say theta measuring 30 degree, what is the angle we are asking for? We are asking for angle ABC. That is, measure angle ABC is 30 degree. Measure angle ABC is 30 degree. On the same lines, whatever we did for AB, we would like to go and do with AC. Absolutely on the same lines. Only thing over here it was theta. The angle so made over here is alpha. So I'm just using a different marker to understand. So for line, this time it is going to be for line AC. For line AC. Equation is given to us. So what is equation is? Equation is x minus y equals to 3. The equation given to us is x minus y equals to 3. Here we have marked the angle as angle alpha, angle made by AC with x-axis. On the same lines, you would like to convert this also in y is equal to mx plus c format. slope intercept format. So when I shift this minus y over there, y equals to, this 3 will come over here, x minus 3 on comparing with y is equals to mx plus c. This time I am getting slope ms. Can we see that? Y is equals to mx plus c. If you want, you can still convert this as y equals to, on the same lines, 1x plus of minus 3. Now you can say you have converted and framed it in y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equals to mx plus c. So what is our slope? Our slope, what we get is nothing but slope is 1. But as we are aware, what is the definition of slope? Slope is nothing but tan theta. Therefore, can I say tan? This time you won't say theta because we have said it is the alpha, the angle made by AC with x-axis. So we'll say instead of theta, tan alpha is 1. For what value of alpha? Tan of that angle is 1. Tan 45. So it is tan 45, which is 1. Therefore, alpha is equals to 45 degree. Alpha is 45 degree. Now when I say alpha is 45 degree, what angle we are talking? We are talking about ACM. That is, angle ACM is equals to 45 degree. Now children, they have asked us 2 questions. In fact, they have asked us 3 questions. Angles made by AB and AC. So angle made by AB is 30 degree, as we have found out. Angle made by AC is angle ACM, which is 45 degree. Using these two, we need to find out measure angle BAC. Now, just look at our diagram. Is angle ACM forming an exterior angle for triangle ABC? I repeat, ACM is an exterior angle for triangle ABC. So, do we know one theorem? If anybody can recollect, what is the theorem? We have studied this theorem in past. Recollect, have you studied something called as exterior angle theorem for remote interior angles? Yes. Exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of the remote interior angle. So what is an exterior angle over here? ACM is an exterior angle, and what is a triangle? It is an exterior angle for triangle ABC. So now we say, now by using the property of exterior angle, so it is angle ACM is equals to angle ABC plus angle BAC. What is the property we used? We will write on that property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. I'm so sorry. Remote interior angle. Let's jot down the values. ACM, which is alpha, we have already got it. So let me say this as my equation number 1. Let me put this as my equation number 2. So I can say very well ACM, which is 45, is equals to ABC, which is 30, plus BAC. From where did I get these values? From equations. From equations 1 and 2. Bring this 30 over here. Measure angle BAC is 45 minus 30. Measure angle BAC is 15 degree. Measure angle BAC is 15 degree. So we have found out all the 3. Equation of line AB with respect to positive x-axis, which is 30. Equation of line AC with positive x-axis, which is 45. And finally, with the help of these 2, we have found out measure angle BAC, which turns out to be 15 degree. So I can now very well write down this as 15 degree. After finding out, we can easily write down this as 15 degree. As those who are very much aware, these are the values which we get or write down only after finding the values. So this is 45 now, and this is 30. This is 30. I hope my children have understood what this sum is all about. Just have a look at the solution once again.